Welcome to StackAsian, your go-to destination for easy and efficient image editing. Today, we are excited to showcase one of our most powerful features, combining multiple images onto a single page. Whether you are creating a collage, presentation, or a printable document, we have got you covered. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Before we dive into the process, let's take a quick look at our toolset. Visit google.com, then type ResizeImage StackAsian. Open the website. They look like its layout look like this. Then select multiple images merge to one page. So this is the tool which is going to merge all your images into one page. So combining multiple images onto A4, our feature allows you to seamlessly merge multiple images onto a single A4 size page. Arrange your images to create the perfect composition. Once you are satisfied with our layout, download your combined image in PNG and PDF formats. So I'm going to guide you step by step. To begin, upload the images you want to combine onto the page. Simply click the upload button and select your desired images. So I have selected 4 images. Click on the open button. It auto adjusts all the 4 images on A4 page according to the image dimensions. Once you are happy the arrangement, it's time to download your composition. You can choose it to download in either PNG or PDF format, depending on your needs. Our tools offer several advantages. So you can see all the 4 images combined on the A4 page. You can select any number of photos to upload and it will put all the images on a A4 sheet. Our tool offers several advantages. Efficiency, easily merge multiple images onto a single page in just a few simple steps. Perfect for creating collages, presentations, or printable documents. However, it's important to note some disadvantages. You may need to adjust image sizes for optimal layout. Okay, thank you for joining us today as we explored how to combine multiple images onto a single page. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks on image editing. Until next time, happy editing.